Hey guys, into the video I am recording a vlog of my daily routine. Well, I usually wake up at to get dressed for school because I always shower at night since I don't like shower in the morning. Right now I am getting dressed and I in fast because I don't have much time. Sometimes I feel very sleepy in the morning, so I move slow, but today I am my faster. Well, now yogurt, a small snack, and a vitamin pill plus water, so it is more the same every day. It takes me about to eat all of this because I eat slow. As I am very sleepy right now, I don't much appetite. Sometimes I don't want and would I still I because I need energy. Now when I finish breakfast I comb my hair because it is a mess and I have two cocklets. Now that we are in the bathroom I am doing my hair. Lately I style it different because I could some days out. Fire I wind my hair completely, then I dry it with a tongue in rub it a little. Now I am putting gel in my hand and I am applying into my hair. Then lately in forward in a messy way because I like that style more. I usually take some minutes doing this because if done good, it looks weird. And now my mom drives me to in the car, so I am with her. Now we are in the bathroom. Once I am in the car, I am looking out the window. I usually look outside or check a reflection in the mirror. More look at because I think about things. I see the streets and I know the roads, so I get ready and I put on my backpack, always with my lunchbox in my hand, so I come down fast because there are almost always cars behind. Now I am arrived to school and I am taking my things to go down. Final I arrived school and that's the end of the video. I hope you like it. I like, turn a notification and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Bye bye.